Cái này trái gì đây?
Apple.
Apple. Ăn táo đi. Yummy. Cười vậy hả? Yeah. Wow, thank you.
Taste it and how do it feels?
How's your one?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
How's the flavor? Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet? That one's ripe, I think.
What about that one, Mom?
Hmm?
What about that one, Mom?
That one. Your one's more ripe than my one. Ăn đi.
What's this tree on my head? Hey, stop touching my head. There.
Yummy. Mà thấy cây mọc thêm trái á. Nhìn cái gì vậy?
The bin.
Cái thùng rác à?
I'm gonna go to the toy after this video. I'll go to the toy shop and then I'll get some Lego, small Lego, which is very hard to build, but it's easy for me.
Ăn đi.
Do you know Mom's sick today?
I'm sick today. Sick. When we're sick, we need some fruit, right?
I'm not sick, remember?
Not yet.
Soon. But I don't think now I won't be sick.
I don't want you to be sick though.
I'm choosing a rock. Oh, maybe this one. This rock. This rock is easy to hold because it's very heavy. And it falls.
Uh-oh.
This time I'm going to pick up a leaf.
Cầm chưa? Anh cầm chưa?
Leaf! Leaf! Pick up with my...
Ok. Oh no! Cái này cho bự. Thank you, apple tree.
It almost dropped down.